As you can see, my core situation isn't as fire as I want it to be. Hey there, beautiful people. My name is Sarah Jane, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a workout I like to call abs, abs, abs. And so for the next 21 days of 2018, I'm going to do it every single day. The reason I'm doing this is because, as you've probably seen me mention on Instagram, I lost 30 pounds with a ketogenic diet in 2018, and in 2019, I want to increase my fitness levels to be godly. In order for me to do that, I feel like my core needs to be set straight. So for the next 21 days, I'll be doing abs, 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 and I'll be posting it to my YouTube channel periodically. I'll be showing you guys before pictures and after pictures, and hopefully my waist can get snatched. So stay tuned for the rest of this workout and hopefully you enjoy. So this first exercise I'm doing is called the alternating crunch, and this is one of my favorite ab exercises ever because I feel like you can really feel the burn in your obliques. Now abs, abs, abs isn't meant to be a super crazy hard, really complex ab program. It's literally just supposed to be something that you can do consistently every single day, and I really feel like you'll really start to see change when you start to do something every single day. The next exercise you see me doing here is called Heels to the Heavens, and again, it's one of my favorite ab exercises. I feel like you can really feel the burn right in the lower abs, so if you have a pooch, this is for you. The next one you see me doing here is called a Russian twist, and I'm just using my water bottle, but you can use literally anything with a weight, a can of tomatoes, or an actual weight, and you can get it done. There's no excuses as to why you cannot do this workout at home by yourself. So this next exercise is an oldie but a goodie. It's a good old crunch, and I do 15 reps of these and 3 sets of them. So I sat here contemplating to myself, am I really going to have them watch me do a plank for 2 minutes? And I thought, better not. But one thing I've been doing recently is whenever I get tired doing one variation of a plank, I switch to a different variation of a plank. So I would do this, for example, for 2 minutes and then switch to maybe a side plank. And I felt like that really gave me the burn I was looking for. And I'm closing off this video with mountain climbers. And so as you can see, there's not a ton of difficult exercises in this. If you do the recommended reps and the recommended sets, you'll feel the burn. And until tomorrow.